Eze Amadi. Came from Nigeria. Saw my dad off to India. His mom was sitting by my side. Chief Amadi. Came together for checkup, and the treatment has been wonderful, very great, interesting. Not to talk about the people I've met here, the nurses, the doctors, very, very interesting people, you know. Seeing him off, I had to use the opportunity to fix my lost teeth, and very good job. Not only did they remove the teeth, another one was fixed, and the job is very, very clean and nice, and very nice. And I'm going back to my country happy again, because the other teeth I was supposed to fill it, which I think I'll definitely going to do that tomorrow, and you know, manage. They'll be eating spaghetti, chicken noodles all this while. But I mean, I believe if we stay maybe longer, I'll get to adjust. But for now, I don't think so. For now, and talking about the doctors, very nice. Bourjani, wonderful. The service job, wonderful. And I believe my dad said we're going to recommend more people to come around. The serviceman, Mr. Anil, wonderful, very, very good. He's been taking our time, you know, call to find out what we did, dinner this, dinner that, lunch, what we eat. And I think it's very nice, even considering the first day we met, how we reacted towards him, and later on find out that he's a very interesting person to be with. And not only him, the people have, you know, that have come around me during my short stay here, they're all very interesting, want to know me, my name, what I do, and I enjoy the company, and I hope to do that next time too. That's if I'm going to come back, definitely. I will want to like meet such persons again.